Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to spin a ball. Okay, so first things first, you're gonna choose which finger you're gonna be using. I use the middle finger, but a lot of people use index finger. Also, ball. I like the basketball, but you can use whatever you want, honestly. Um, okay, so you're gonna grab the ball like this, right? And you're sort of twist it like this, right? So you twist and then untwist basically, and then you're gonna basically throw the ball just above your finger, right? And it should land just about. You can choose whether you want to land it on your finger or your nail or whatever. Just make sure it lands on your finger. And then it's gonna take a few hours of practicing actually in order to actually learn it. And once you can actually spin it on your finger for at least a few seconds, then you can actually try hitting it. Hit it like only when it's like away from you, right? Don't hit it towards yourself, right? So it keeps spinning. Um, and the most important factor when learning this is basically that you need to know that it takes bunch of hours to learn it, right? So the only way when you're not able to learn this is if you give up, right? And you're most likely to give up if you don't have fun while doing it. So having fun is the most important aspect when learning this. So just like put some music while doing it, you know, or maybe like I don't know, watch some like videos or have something in the background, and don't go for too long. Instead of trying this for hours straight, just go for a few minutes and then come back maybe later in the day or maybe the next day. Whatever, just make sure you enjoy it. That's the most important part when learning this.